in our second day of our tour. We're going to be on set A. So it's still going to be a surprise to which islands we're going to go for this tour. As I mentioned on my other vlog, the tour guide or the coast guards have changed the sets of the tours because of the gale warning. They're still up. So just to make everyone and all the tourists safe, they have changed up all the destinations of each tour, making it just set A and set B. Yesterday we were at set B, and now we're going to do set A. So still just another view of the dock where everyone is waiting for our boats to get off and go to our next adventure. I'll see you on the first island that we're going to. See you guys. What's up guys? So we're here at the first beach destination for set A tour. This is what we call, or they call, the Papaya Beach. You would notice, still nice, very good vegetation. Not much people actually today that are going on tour. Just giving you a very good 360 of what it looks like. The rock formations are extremely amazing. We would stay here for a brief 30 minutes and then we'll go to our second beach destination, and I think that's going to be our lunch. But all in all, still very nice. Quite lucky that we have to, or be able to go for a tour right now. So very good sun, but see you next video. Guys, so right now we're on our second island destination. This is the Seven Commandos beach. If you would see, there's quite a couple of places. The shoreline is quite bigger than compared to the rest, but we would stay here for quite some time because this could be where we'll be eating our lunch. The rock formations are still indeed amazing. If you get to see a bit of sun, so expect me to be very sun-kissed during this set. We have more destinations for this set. I think about 4 or 5 islands to be exact. So I'm not quite sure, but I'll go ahead and try to explore what else I can see farther to that part of the beach. But so far, this part is very chill. I'll try to flip the camera so you guys can see that's really what I can see now. Okay? Destination. This is called Ipil Beach. The guy said the reason why it's called Ipil Beach is because of the Ipil trees that you can see here in this island. So we found a very good spot for us to film and also take a couple of photos. The waves here are extremely beautiful, and of course the color of the water is just amazing. So hopefully we have, I think, 2 more islands to go to after this one. I'll just perhaps walk around and then let you see what it looks like. And as you can see, I'm quite near where the rocks, where there's a lot of good waves and a lot of IG-worthy photos. So I'll take more snaps and then I'll see you guys later. Yeah, bye! Hi guys, we're now at our final destination, our final island, which is Cadlao Lagoon. Now, for this one, you're supposed to rent either a snorkel or a kayak for you to go inside the lagoon. But then again, we decided just to stay at the boat and then just chill it a bit. It would be quite tiring for the arms if ever you're going to do all the kayaking. But I will flip the camera over so you'll be able to see the rest of the view. So that is pretty much the view from where we are right now at the boat. So very nice actually. Still very relaxing. The breeze is really good at this hour. Right now it is exactly 2:51 in the afternoon. Not quite sunny, very chill, and I think a bit cloudy actually, but clear waters and very nice view. That pretty much wraps up my vlog for this tour, and then perhaps I'll see you soon when we go to Puerto Princesa at the city. Bye!